Polestar 1 is a premium performance hybrid car that combines a gasoline engine and 3 electric motors to deliver 619 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. It has a carbon fiber body, a crystal gear shift, and a refined interior design. It can travel up to 60 miles on electric power alone, which is the longest range of any hybrid car in the world. The Polestar 1 is a limited edition car, with only 1,500 units planned to be produced. It costs $155,000 in the US.